Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see the C Sharp output, like how to get the output in the console application or C Sharp from the C Sharp program, like what are the different methods which we have to print any text in the console we are going to see in this video. So, if you haven't watched my previous videos like C Sharp introduction, how to create your first C Sharp program, and how to like what are the syntax which we have to follow to write your first C Sharp program. So, all these things which we have explained in the previous videos, if you haven't watched it, just go to my channel and check out the playlist C Sharp tutorials where you will find the list of videos. So, in this video, we are going to see C Sharp outputs. Not only C Sharp, we have done so many videos related to web development, front and back end, and database kind of things, SQL, HTML, Angular, quizzes, jQuery, Azure, and Linux, Unix, Java, and big data, Excel, CSS, and JavaScript, and all the different career or paths. We have done so many videos. Just go to my playlist and check out those playlists. May any of the playlist or any of the video of mine will help you to get the things better. We also done videos related to debugging tips in Visual Studio, how to debug and how to effectively use this Visual Studio and how to use the different windows which are present in Visual Studio. We have done videos. Just check it out, so that will definitely help you. And installation, if you want to install any installations Visual Studio, Visual Code, SQL Server things, and then many more things which we have done videos. So we are left with the videos related to backend like .NET or C Sharp programming language, like those things. We are started this C Sharp tutorial, so because of that. So now in this video, let's see like C Sharp output, like the C Sharp values or prints text in C Sharp. We have to use this print line method, so write line method. So to print any text to get an output in the console, or likewise we have to use this write line method. For example, console.writeline, like some text is given in that we have seen in the previous video when we are creating first application console application .NET framework. By default we get this particular program.cs file where you will have this line in the main method. So you can try it yourself. This is one of the best advantage we have with this W3 schools website, which is try it yourself, where you can try the examples at that particular instant only. So you can add as many as lines with the right line method as you want. Like note that it will add a new line for each and every method. So in the previous example also I have already shown you like adding different lines. So now also you can see whenever you give semicolon here, each and every line it will divides that it is a separate line. Likewise, so right line, first line will be hello world, and second line will be the console.read line. I am in learning C sharp. So third line will be console.read line. Sorry, right line. It is awesome. Likewise, so every time it is creating new line when you when you use the method called as a read line. Sorry, right line. Sorry, I was spelling like that. So you can see hello world and everything we have written. So this method is the method which it will print each and every line in a new line. So that is the use of this method here. So next what we have other option is, so whenever we give a right line, so it will take every time a new line to give the output. So this is all about right line method, which is in the console class of the system namespace. So you can also get the outputs as a numbers also, and to perform mathematical calculations also you can perform. So let's try this example here. So namespace is my application here, class name program, static void main is the method, and we have arg strings as a parameter. So next what we have is console.writeline 3 plus 3. So what is the output? 3 plus 3 will be the 6. So you can see you can perform mathematical operations also, so that we can give outputs by using this write line method. So this is one of the type. We can do mathematical calculations also as an output. Next, we have one more method called as a write, not write line. So instead of write line, we have write. So both are similar to display the output or what we have mentioned in that, but the only difference is that we doesn't insert a new line at the end of the point while we are using with a write method. So when we are using write method, it will not give every time a new line, but it will append that kind of thing. Like it will add on an extra space when we need it after hello world in the example above for better readability. So you can just try this example so that you can see the difference. So write, so console.write hello world is there, some space I have given here, and after that console.write I will print on this same line. So by this line you can see this in the same line output. So if you remove the space after hello world, you can just run this. So you won't get the gap also, it will append like after that particular hello world, it will give like there is no space. To get such spaces we have to include that space here, so that it will like it will tell you that it will be the other word like other line likewise. So by using write method in which is present in the console class of system application, we have to write like this. So write, you can append this, you can get the content in the same line likewise. So this is all about write method. So you can also do this, I have already explained you previously, system dot console. And if you don't write using system on the top, you can write directly like system dot, like in that namespace we have that likewise. You can run this application, you will get the exact same output by this also. So you can see like this is all about write and write line method, both are same, but the only difference is the it will won't give the new line every time when we write, it will just append to the first line itself. So in this tutorial we use a write line, so write line only, it make you easy to read the outputs of the code. So it will be nice if you give different lines whenever we use this particular thing. So we use that for most of the purposes. This is all about C sharp outputs. So to get the outputs to print any content in the console, we use write line or write methods which are present in console class of the system namespace. And also you can perform mathematical operations like this, 3 plus 3 you will get 6 as a console output. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I hope you have liked this video and share this videos to your friends, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.